Hi, I'm Sharon Lynn, a voice channeler and hypnotherapist. In this video, you will hear my live personal recorded voice channeling speaking with our cosmic family of light beings, Galactic Federation, and the Akashic beings. After over 20 years of voice channeling and boxes of tape recordings I was too afraid to share, I am now sharing some of them with you in the hopes of helping, because I know it's time to bring their messages to you. You really never know what messages someone needs, no matter how small. I made written captions on the video screen saying voice channeling and the date so you can start there if you wish. I have cut out all the long pauses, some private messages in the recording, and I may include more than one channeling date in one video. As we are all connected, much of my channelings pertain to so many of you who are going through similar things as we ascend. Keep in mind, I am speaking to many different galactic, cosmic, and Akashic beings, sometimes one after the other without introduction, so my voice speed and pitch may change a bit according to how high their frequency is. My inferior vocabulary is a challenge for them too. I etherically travel up to meet them, and they travel down to meet me halfway, and we share space and my voice. I'm non-denominational, and my main guides are God, Jesus, the Akashic, Galactic Federation, angels, and Master Zolar, to name a few. They give me healing techniques and meditations, or I'm just told to lay there and receive the healing, and I always feel better after. I'm given galactic news from the Federation. I speak to my mother of the planet Saturn. I hear planetary news, and many times I'm shown visions or told telepathically, which I may not speak onto the recording. Some things are not meant to be recorded. I'm also given prophecies, some of which are earth changes, news, or natural disasters given by Master Zolar of the planet Saturn. Only to pray for those things to help dissipate them. Not all come true, although some need to happen. If you have any questions, I would love to hear from you. Please leave a comment and I'll reply, or I will do another Q&A video. If you like this video, please click like, subscribe, and click the bell to be notified when my new videos come out. I also have other self-help and hypnosis videos you may want to check out. I pray you feel our cosmic family's love for you and their frequency through these recordings. Love, light, and energy. Blessings. Thank you for listening. Enjoy. Today is June 22nd, 2020. Sharon, voice channeling. Dear God, Jesus, Master Zolar of the planet Saturn, Galactic Federation, please may I voice channel. Something will occur upon the earth that will cause much confusion from the masses. You had previously saw the uprising, which is occurring now. Some will fear, some will be happy, some will be curious. It will be unexplainable. You will know. When the first beings come here to Earth, who will they be? I mean, I know beings have come to Earth, but from the Confederation and the higher beings, are they coming here? Yes. There will be one ship that will be coming. We are coming to spread unity through our light. If we step foot upon the earth, our light awakens the others. This is why we never come to the earth, because we would influence the beings of earth, which is forbidden. But in this case, this will take place, and our light will shine out like a beam around the globe, raising its vibration immensely, waking up the planet. It is the same as when you walk into a room and your light wakes up others in consciousness. So as we each evolve, our light increases, and as you spread your light to the other spreads their light to the next. And all our lights combined together create one light, which is raising up the earth into the higher dimensions. But the dimension that we reside is a very high frequency, well above the 5D. And this frequency, when it is close by the light that emanates from us, will change the consciousness of everything around on that planet. So, including animals and every living creature would evolve, including the grass and the flowers and the trees. It would be like an instantaneous, when we step upon the earth, you will shift quickly into the new 5D, the entire earth will go. It's kind of like when we voice channel with you. You are halfway up, we are halfway down, if you want to look at it in a visual, and we meet in the middle. When we come down to the earth, we are going to pull the earth up into a 5D space, and that's where it will remain residing. The old 3D earth will shed and dissipate in the ways that you have seen that were upsetting to you before with the pole shift. No one on earth will have to see that, as long as we can come to you in time. Because the beings of the earth need to complete their task before we are permitted to come down to the earth to make this happen. Be ready, be aware, and know it is happening soon. All the truths will have been laid out on the table, and all the people that needed to go away will be gone. And then the peace will begin. And as the love begins, then we will ascend upon the earth, and we will go to the higher realms, and the completion will take place. We are signing off now, and we love you, and we love the planet Earth. Thank you all for coming.